In terms of the weather, just keep your eye out. Storms come in fast because there's not a lot blocking them. If you're feeling really erratic gusts of wind and you see clouds in the horizon, be careful. I know that personally missionaries can't check the weather every day, but there's a member out there you can call, get weather updates, find out what's going to happen. Don't let anything sneak up on you. So just be smart about it, especially during the summer. Tornadoes can get really bad, and in fact, on my mission, Independence, Missouri, was hit by a tornado in January. So they can come at any time. Doesn't matter really what time of the year it was. That was really rare, but it happens.